Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the track you want to control. This could be a vocal or a drum bus. Once selected, open the FX chain and add Recomp. This gives you threshold, ratio, attack, release right away. Set input gain so peaks sit near -6 to -3 dB to preserve headroom. You do this because compression reacts to signal level. Then set a conservative ratio like 3:1 so the compressor engages without squashing dynamics immediately. Now focus on how and when the compressor reacts. Lower the threshold until you see about 3 to 6 dB of gain reduction on the loudest hits. This tames peaks without flattening everything. Use a fast attack, 5 to 30 ms, to catch transients, or a slower attack to let transients through for punch. Set release between 30 and 200 ms so the compressor breathes with the phrasing. Once done, balance ratio to taste higher for control, lower for natural tone. To finish, use makeup gain to bring the compress level back so it matches the bypass loudness. You do this to judge tonal changes fairly. Always /be the effect in the mix, because a compressor that sounds good solo can disappear when other tracks play. If you hear undesirable pumping or breathing, lengthen the release or lower the ratio. Alternatively, blend dry and compressed signals with parallel compression for more presence without losing dynamics. One troubleshooting tip: if transient loss occurs, increase attack slightly and reevaluate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.